Welcome back everybody to a new episode. I'm standing in front of the Matthews Mansion, which was restored by the Arcas Holding and home to the Arcas Carpet Collection. This remarkable place is home to the Arcas Carpet Collection. The Arcas Carpet Collection showcases some of the most remarkable carpets in the world. The collection consists of classic Anatolian carpets, regional Anatolian carpets, Ottoman palace carpets and rare examples of European carpets. It is one of the most important carpet collections globally. The Anatolian carpets were meticulously crafted between the 16th and the 19th centuries. These rugs are not just artworks, but also show the tradition of Anatolian rug making, which has turned Turkey into a well-known carpet country. Turkish carpets has been sought after for centuries, symbolizing wealth, status and prestige. They've been presented as diplomatic gifts and even served as inspiration for Western artists, finding their way into European masterpieces. Arcas Sanat Bornova Matthews Mansion's mission is to preserve these extraordinary examples of rug art, passing them down to future generations and sharing the Arcas Carpet Collection with a broader public.